Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to use Swiftkey keyboard on Android. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. Using the Swiftkey keyboard on your Android device involves a few straightforward steps to set it up and customize it according to your preferences. Here's how you can do it. Firstly, tap the Google Play Store icon on your screen to open it. Type Swiftkey keyboard into the search bar. Now, once you search it, tap install to begin downloading and installing the app on your device. Once the app is installed, find and open the Swiftkey app, typically located in your app drawer or on your home screen. Follow the in-app instructions to enable Swiftkey and your device's settings and set it as your default keyboard. Tap Enable Swiftkey, switch on the Swiftkey option and press OK. Then tap Select Swiftkey, choose Swiftkey as your keyboard, and finally tap Try your keyboard. Now go back to the interface to customize the keyboard. You can change themes, adjust size, or layout and keys, a layout, and set up typing preferences like autocorrect and predictive text by going to typing. Explore the settings to find additional customizations options like sound on key press, vibration, feedback, and more. Tap on the keyboard on the bottom right. The Swiftkey keyboard should appear. You can start typing right away. Try swiping Swiftkey flow to type by sliding from one letter to another without lifting your finger for faster typing. Utilize the predictive text feature that learns from your typing habits to suggest the next word. Swiftkey supports multiple languages. You can add and switch between languages easily from the Swiftkey settings on the language section. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.